Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Zion. Happy birthday, Zion. Happy birthday, Zion. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Zion. God bless you, Zion. So, meron po kami inihanda kasi 7 po siya. So, meron... Hello? Zion years to come. I want to read a verse to you and okay, Zion, happy birthday again. I love you. So, this is the verse from the Bible, from the Philippians chapter 4, verse 4.
From my Chinese.
Rejoice in the Lord, always I will say it again. Rejoice.
Amen.
Amen.
Just yesterday.
Later. I will read this verse for you. Anna's witness, Proverbs 14, verse 5. Anna's witness.
Ngayon, happy birthday, more birthdays to come below. And I hope you will grow up good, kind to your parents and stay behaved, okay? So,
Amen.
So, sana lumaki ka ng may takot sa Diyos. And Colossians 3 verse 20. Children, obey your parents and all things. And muli, maligayang na lang sa iyo sa iyo. This is for you also. Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 5. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your might.
Amen.
Yes. So, Zion, while you are growing up,
To be kind to one another. And so, be kind all of people, so that you feel God. Sana, I wish ko sa'yo, sana mabait ka, and you are your parents, you must all respect all each other. Okay? Happy birthday.
Amen.
amen. Sorry, nakalit. Forget you. Simula maliit si Zion. Nasa kasama na po namin siya. Kaya naging bahagi po siya sa aming buhay. Amen?
Amen.
That's okay, because we love him so much. We love the family. And we love you all. Amen. So, masasabi lamang po namin kay Zion, we know that, sabi po ng salita natin Panginoon sa Jeremiah 29:11, for I have a plan for you. Amen. That's girlfriend. Girlfriend.
Listen, ato pastora.
I said that the Lord has a plan for you, not to harm you, but to prosper you and to give you hope and a future.
Amen.
I know and we do believe that the future of Simon is in the hand of God. Zion is in the hand of God.
Amen.
And when the hand of God is upon him, his future is sure. Amen?
Amen.
So, alam po natin na pinangahawakan ng Diyos si Zion. Sabi niya, not Simon, Zion. Kasi Simon din yung isang bata sa church. So,